Welcome to our unboxing review. Dumating na rin sa wakas yung pinakaantay kong electric massager Scalp kasi medyo nakakalbo na tayo kaya kinakailangan natin to. So, look at this packaging. And as we open, inside we have the main part, which is the massager, and comes with extra 4 silicone, something like that. And yeah, as you can see, it's a USB type, a Samsung type charger. You can charge it fully. It's compact size for on-the-go relaxation, whether you're looking for relief tension. This is so good to stimulate hair growth or simply unwind. This is scalp massager. Kahit sa katawan or kahit sa braso, sa neck part ay pwede siya. Oh my god, this is so relaxing. Look at that. So for me, it's a life changer. Thank you for watching.